Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can remove the SIM cards and the SD cards at the Samsung Galaxy A04s. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back, you will find it in the box. There has been two versions out there of the A04s. One without the charger, so it is this box here. So here has been the phone and you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just release it like this. Or there has been also versions out there with the charging adapter, and then it should look like this here. So here's been the power charging adapter, and here has been the USB cable in, and below the USB cable you will find here the SIM ejection tool as well. Release it like that. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, if you don't have the SIM ejection tool, you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, anyhow, if you have one or two SIM cards inserted with a microSD card, just put the head over like this and press it out like that. So pretty simple, then you can insert new SIM cards or put it back empty as you want. As you can see, pretty simple. And I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks for the phone and so on, or how you can make a hard reset if you want to resell it. If you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support. And maybe at the next time. Ciao.